So I saw this video on this guy like 2 days ago called The Hacksmith, and it's this random dude that has like a big warehouse or something. He's like definitely a handyman, and his thing is creating like replicating gadgets that are from like superheroes.
Oh god.
He's fully made like all these, like the Batman thing, like I forget the name of it, but he, like throws it and like sticks into a watermelon. The Spider-Man web shit, he's made that, like grippy wall stuff, all of this sort of things. And these things that he's making like could actually be used by armies, like defense forces, to be like, to start to become more superhuman or like bionic in war. Have you ever seen anything like that, or what are your thoughts on it?
Well, I don't know how, like, I think it'd be really fun for people to buy it as gadgets to muck around, and everyone loves to live like a superhuman life or think that they can. And
yeah, maybe not those ninja stars.
Yeah, like
it's a bit dangerous. The kids that play around with it, one kid will kill the other.
Well, time travel would be the one that I would choose for sure.
If you could do one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Being able to. Yeah, and you keep telling me it's not possible.
Not possible backwards, theoretically. Possible forwards in time, because if you go fast enough. Anyways, we can get deep in that.
Elon Musk the other day said some really cool stuff about how we might be able to get into a rocket, or probably will be able to, because it's Elon Musk and he's absolutely crazy. But he's made a video, so it must be happening.
Yeah, he's like, so this is the, he's using the exact rockets that he's using to get us to Mars by just after 2020 or something, to the ones that self-land, like break in half, and then he's using that to do international travel where you can get anywhere in the world in less than an hour, which is so good, because there's no way of actually solving that problem. There isn't really any way of solving that problem other than in terms of time from intercontinental without doing that. And do you know what's crazy? And he hasn't explained this yet. He says it's going to be cheaper than, or equivalent or cheaper than the cost of an economy flight. How the fuck is that possible?
I don't know.
Hyperloop that he's doing?
Yes, yeah.
He's kind of done all three, right?
He really wants to improve this transport thing. I think he's on a bit of a mission.
He's done a bit of a role. He would definitely be providing the highest ratio in the world of like value to other humans as a ratio output.
Yeah, what are we even doing?
Yeah, he seems to be. But he's got the boring company, so he's doing the LA thing to get rid of congestion. He's doing the Hyperloop, which is just kind of giving the designs away and letting people compete commercially for that, that's great for like Sydney to Melbourne, for example, in a train. And there is an Australian company doing pretty well in that. So that would be cool for like on land, but then you can't get that Hyperloop across the ocean. It's like so deep, and so it was never going to solve the like, hey, we should go to Paris for lunch from Brisbane problem. Which isn't really a problem, it's a bit of a luxury, but it would be crazy.
It's a problem that you gotta travel like a whole day to get to Europe though.
Yeah.
And it's actually crazy, like how long has air travel been exactly the same?
Yeah. The only thing is like the crashes are reducing, which is like the only positive. If he gets that to happen, he will destroy airline companies. Like if there's Hyperloop on ground, you'd always choose that. It's way quicker and less fuck around. And if there's these rockets for the same price, who the fuck wouldn't take? Oh, you want to take the 30-hour plane? We were going to Europe this holidays. We were going to take the 30-hour thing to Amsterdam, or we're going to do the 40-minute rocket and float around in space for the same price. Oh, so hard to choose.